If you look at this question, it's told in the problem what is the value of this determinant. If the value of this determinant is 0, what is the value of m is the question asked. These entries are in the form of permutation combination, right? So in the theory of permutation combination, we have discussed NCR plus NCR minus 1, that is equal to n plus 1 CR. I can apply this concept here. So what I'll do C1 forms C1 plus C2. Is it okay? C1 transforms to C1 plus C2. So I can write 10C4 plus 10C5, correct? 10C4 plus 10C5. This you can correlate here, NCR plus NCR minus 1. Similarly here, 11C6 plus 11C7 and then 12C8 plus 12C9. Is it okay? And then this is 10C5. This is 11C7 and this is 12C9. Is it okay? And this is 11CM, this is 12CM plus 2 and this is 13CM plus 4. Is it okay? This value is equal to 0. Do you get it? So if you clearly see, NCR plus NCR minus 1 is n plus 1 C, n plus 1 C, R. What is the value of R here? R is the bigger value, right? 11C5. Is it okay? 11C5. This is 10C5 and this is 11CM. This is equal to 0. After this, I am not bothered of any other values, students, here in the competitive exam. Why? Because if the value of the determinant should be equal to 0, any two rows or columns should be identical. So this column and this column will become identical if you see carefully. Why? Because here also it will result in 12C7. This also will result in 12CM plus 2. Is it not? This will result in 13C9 and this also will be 13CM plus 4. So now, if any two rows or columns of a determinant are identical only, then the value of the determinant will become equal to 0. So basically upon comparison, you will come to the conclusion that m value is equal to 5 is the answer to the question. Obviously, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 matching, 5 plus 4, 9, 9 matching. So what is the answer that we mark? We mark the answer as m is equal to 5.